My name is Paula Ardinansi. I am 5 years old. My teacher is Mrs. Francisco. My school is Concordia College. I am Prep 1. Read them fast. Dave and Dale made a kite. The bunch of grape is on the plate. The huge tiger is in a cage. Jane will slice the pie with a knife. The mice live in a hole. The thick smoke comes from the stove. Can you write 5 lines on the paper? My dogs bite a bone. Let's place the white roses in the vase. The cake that I bake is on the plate. Phrases with long A on page 20. Black grape. Bake a cake at the gate. The bird's cage. Fish on a plate. Has a cape under the rain. Your fair, a long cane. It's a date. The witch cave on stage. Sentences with long A. The man came late. The fish is on the plate. It is the month of May. The snake is in the cave. She has a red cape. The rake is at the gate. They came late at the game. He ate the cake on plate. Mom has a vase. The wave hit the sail. The maid has a rake. My name is Jane. The nail is in the pail. Phrases with long A. The gate has a lock. Jane has a black cape. Mom has a jade. The men are in the lake. I save my money. Phrases with long E. Hot meat. Jane dream. Clean beach. Mom scream. Dad sit. A real seal. A big beef. Sweet peaches. A green tree. The queen sleep. Sweep the street. Sentences with long E. The queen sleep in her bed. The bee will sting his cheeks. Jean will sweep the street. Dean's nieces. Moms will peel 3 peaches. See the bee up in the tree. The breezes will make him sneeze. The tree has green leaves. Phrases with long I. To hike, to dive, to ride, make bike. The sunrise, that night, my pie, flying, a kite, time, logo, a big fire, white tie. Sentences with long I. Little mice like rice. I eat rice with fish. I want a slice of pie. I like a cone of ice cream. Ray was absent thrice a week. Frogs like to eat flies. Mother will bake a egg pie. Dad has a striped tie. Phrases with long O. Ouch. No, it is cold. My soft toast bread. Out. Cash. Long note. A big stone. broken. A black mole, red tomato on the boat. A cold Coke, joke only with a pole. Sentences with long O. The dog likes bone. He wears a yellow robe. The stove is hot. She wrote a note. I like a glass of cold Coke. Sentences with long O. Dogs like bones. Dad has a mole. Blow your nose. The crow watch the show. The Eskimo plays the piano. The rose grows. He throws the ball. The wind blows. Phrases with long U. The pretty muse. My cute doll. Cure the sick. Perfume for me. Amuse the sad boy. Sentences with long U. The pupil wear their uniform. I am not sure of my answer. The pretty girl is our muse. The doctor can cure the sick. Will you hum the tune from me?